My name is Moko. I'm from Bali. Bamboo is the gold in the hand of the wise.
Hey, I'm Misay from Manila, Philippines.
I'm Nitya from India.
Dimitri from Greece.
My name is Francisco and I'm from Mexico.
I'm Scott Vandervoort. I'm from New York City.
My name is Naida. I'm from Myanmar.
Hello, I'm Jules from France.
This is Vipul from India.
Resham Shirsat, Orlando, Florida.
Hey, I'm Jake Jameson from Australia.
I'm Tiberio from Brazil.
Hi, I'm Pete Lloyd. I'm from Australia.
Hi, I'm Viv from New York City, and I just want to say that bamboo,
Bamboo.
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 Bamboo is gold in the hands.
In the hands of the wise.
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 Bamboo is gold in the hands of the wise.
That's right, bamboo is gold in the hands of the wise. Hello friends from Indonesia. Justin and I are here in Bali to attend an 11-day intensive course called Bamboo U. We just finished and it was awesome. We learned so much, made so many friends, and now have a much better understanding in how to design and build with bamboo. In this video, we'll show you some highlights from the past 2 weeks at Bamboo U. But first, if you're interested in booking this course or any other workshop at Bamboo U, use this promo code. It'll save you $100. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly. Now get ready to be inspired.
During our second visit to Bali, we learned about the Green School, and were encouraged to watch a TED Talk featuring Elora Hardy, and then everything changed. If you want to be inspired, or see what it was that inspired us, watch this video. It has over 4 million views, and is ultimately what led me and adventureViV to Bamboo U. The course was founded in 2015, and its goal is to share the unique design and construction techniques found in Balinese bamboo building and carpentry. We were just 2 out of 35 participants, architects, engineers, designers, and enthusiasts like us from 20 different countries. Naturally, we started by learning about the plant, a beautiful, unique, and incredibly strong building material of which there are over 1,400 species. Beyond its natural beauty, bamboo is earthquake-proof in that it can flex and move while maintaining structural integrity.
We spent our first full day with Arif Rabiq, who is founder of the Environmental Bamboo Foundation. He is an inspiring man working tirelessly to empower local people across Indonesia and beyond via the 1,000 Bamboo Villages project. Arif taught us many things in a single day. Most importantly, how to identify the age of a bamboo culm within a clump, harvest the mature great-grandmother culms, and how to propagate the branches.
This is a young sub-branch. You can see how fresh it is.
If you're not aware, bamboo grows incredibly fast. A single stalk can be ready to harvest in just 4 years. Compare that to the 50+ years for many hardwoods. And bamboo sequesters a ridiculous amount of carbon dioxide. There are so many reasons why we should be planting bamboo forests in every suitable environment.
Next, we spent time with world-renowned engineer Neil Thomas, a guy that has designed and built stage structures for Pink Floyd, U2, and the Rolling Stones, just to name a few. He's a great teacher and an impressive man who only recently became mystified and amazed with the potential of bamboo structures. We sat through a few lectures with Neil before it was time to put the knowledge to practice. First, attempting to create models of reciprocal towers, then later as a team challenge creating larger versions without supervision.
Today was day 2 of the Bamboo U workshop, and it was awesome. Super intensive, and it was the first day where we actually got to work with bamboo. We learned how to make fish mouths, which are super difficult, but what a cool skill to know. I have a whole new appreciation for working with bamboo. Best part, rewarding yourself with a swim in a natural pool.
Week 1 continued with an inspiring talk by Elora Hardy from that TED Talk that I mentioned before. We also got to tour the PT Bamboo Factory, where harvested bamboo is treated, processed, and sorted. At the factory, we were put to the task of breaking through bamboo nodes, which took teamwork and coordination. Later in the day, we had the privilege of taking a tour of the incredible Green School campus, led by Yu Jin Lo, former lead architect at Ibuku.
Years of knowledge.
Eugene pointed out various challenges and feats of bamboo design and construction. Can you believe this place is a school for over 500 students?
I've come to one of the primary school classes.
It's incredible, and perhaps the most impressive structure is what's known as Heart of School, a massive building featuring 3 reciprocal towers at its core.
We closed out week 1 with a Skype call from John Hardy, founder of John Hardy Jewelry, the Green School, and Bamboo U. He's a real visionary for a greener and more sustainable world. John has a TED Talk of his own where he discusses the Green School vision. Definitely worth a watch. He told us funny stories, which can't be repeated.
You can't repeat that story because
and talked about his recent crusades into sustainability. It was an inspiring and intensive first week.
From beginning to end, there was lots of group bonding. Our facilitators, Jules, Kane, and Leticia, worked tirelessly to keep everybody happy. They were awesome. Week 2 gave us a chance to participate in multiple workshops. Students were encouraged to spend time at the stations that interested them most. Viv and I spent most of our time at the design and carpentry workshop where we created multiple models under the guidance of Scott Vandervoort and Moko Samerda. Scott is a professor of design at Pratt Institute in New York City and an incredibly talented artist who pushed us to expand our bamboo design horizons. Moko is a master carpenter from Bali and was instrumental in helping us understand the structural integrity of our bamboo models.
We also squeezed in a session at the basket weaving workshop.
Learning how to basket weave.
It's not as easy as it looks and requires a lot of patience.
1 horizontal, then diagonal, then the other.
Although we didn't participate in the retractable yurt station, we witnessed our fellow classmates build a full-size yurt that can be collapsed in seconds and transported with ease.
The real heavy lifting took place over at the kitchen station, where we applied our newfound knowledge of bamboo building.
I present you the Bamboo U kitchen to be.
This is a full-scale construction project, and the task was to assemble an 11-meter tall reciprocal tower. Adding to the challenge was the tiered landscape and wide base of the tower. It was amazing to see it come together, one bamboo pole at a time. The second week flew by, and suddenly it was the final day. The group moved from station to station, discussing our experiences and receiving valuable feedback from the bamboo experts. Everybody had come a long way in just 11 days. We concluded with a graduation ceremony where participants presented bamboo diplomas to fellow classmates. A beautiful Bamboo U tradition, full of hugs, smiles, and gratitude. We all came here for the bamboo, but we're leaving with so much more. A Bamboo U family.
Speaking of family,
Bamboo U.
Bamboo me. Bamboo you.
Bamboo me.
Bamboo you.
Bamboo me.
Bamboo we, a family.
A family.
Family.
A family.
A family.
Family.
Family. Bamboo you. Bamboo we are family.
That's good, it's good, it's good.
Bamboo is gold in the hands of the wise. Yeah, I'm ready.
Action.
Another one.
I'm super excited today. We're going to make some bamboo models. We get to use glue guns.
Oh no, adventureViV and a glue gun? That's dangerous.
Show me what you made. Show me what you made. What'd you make? What'd you make, Melvin? Show me what you made. Awesome. Hold it up, hold it up. Woo! Nice job, nice job.
Bamboo you, bamboo you.
It's just for the early years kids, not for adventureViV.
adventureViV fits. It's all good.
Like, you know, you step.
Go hardy or go home. Go hardy or go home. Go hardy.
Carry on, carry on.
Bamboo me.
You guys are too far out. You're gonna come in closer. Come in, come in.
Oh, come on, you guys.
You're kidding, man.
Alright, go ahead.
This is my first attempt at making a bamboo model. It's pretty terrible, but I'm learning.
And as always,